Hello guys, and welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to unlock and play competitive mode in CS2. In competitive mode, it offers a classic gaming experience with ranks and intense strategy. Firstly, to access competitive mode, you must level up by participating in other games modes such as casual, bomb hostage, or deathmatch. Playing these modes can help you gain experience and improve your skill level gradually, leveling up your account. Once you reach level 2 on your account, the competitive mode becomes available. After unlocking it, it can either enter competitive mode without needing prime status, so you can just buy it. To establish a rank on a specific map, play 10 matches on that map. Each map has its own rank, so allowing you to showcase your skill on particular battlegrounds. Now, you're ready to dive into CS2's competitive mode to gain ranks and challenge yourself against skilled players. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.